Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zafran Arif. I'm from AM12018 and today I will be answering case study 1. The first question is, which bank is better and why? Before we start, we need to find the P, R, T and the compounded monthly. So P is RM 11,000, R is 5.9% and turn it into decimal point, which is 0.059. The T is 3.5 years and compounded monthly is 12. For this question, we need to use formula S equals to P1 plus K over M MT. Since we have all the info, we can just add it to the formula. So first step is S equals to 11,000 times 1 plus 0.059 over 12 and 12 times 3.5. To make it easier, we can just do it step by step. So 12 times 3.5 is 42 and 1 plus 0.059 over 12 is 1.0049167. After we get the answer, we need to multiply with 42, which is the answer is 1.228747558, and then multiply with 11,000, so the answer will be 13,516 ringgit and 22 cents. That is for bank 1. So for bank 2, the R and the compounded is different, which is R is 5.7% or 0.057 and the compounded they use is compounded quarterly, which is 4. But the formula remain the same. Where you have all the amounts, just put it in the formula. Okay, first 1 plus 0.057 over 4 is 1.001583 and 4 times 3.5 is 14. So 1.001583 times 14 and the answer will be 1.022391486. And then multiply the amount by 11,000, so the answer will be 11,246 ringgit 30 cents. Okay, so overall it shows that bank 1 is better than bank 2 because the interest amount and the rate is higher and Citi can grow more money in bank 1 instead of bank 2. Thank you.
Okay, hello, my name is Shamil bin Rami and my student ID is 2025148325 and I will continue the question for P. The question is, she invests RM13500 in bank 1 for 5 years and 6 months. Find the total interest obtained. For this question, I will use the formula S equals to P, open bracket, 1 plus K per M, close bracket, power by MT. So from the info that I get, I can assume that the principles for P equals to RM13500. For time equals to T, I get 5 years and 6 months and will change to 5.5 years. For the rate, I get 5.9%. We can change to 0.059. Compounded monthly for 12 times per year. Okay, so the answer for the question B, I will use the formula S equals to P, open bracket, 1 plus K per M, close bracket, power by MT, and S equals to 13500, open bracket, 1 plus 0.059 minus by 12, close bracket, power by 12, multiply 5.5, and S equals to 13500, open bracket, 1 plus 0.049167, close bracket, power by 66, and S equals to 13500, open bracket, 1.0049167, close bracket, power by 66, and S equals to 1860.27, and the total interest for the question B, you will get interest equals to S minus by P, and you will get 18660.27 minus 13400, and the final answer for the question B is RM 5160.27.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Zafran bin Ahmad Zamin from AM120-1A, and my ID is 2025171389. Okay, today I will discuss about study case 1, section C. Siti wants to have 3,800 ringgit in 4 years. How much she invest now in bank 2? So we will use a formula P equals to A and 1 plus R and T and N. A equals to 3,800 ringgit, R equals to 5.7%, equals to 0.057, and N equals to 4, T equals to 4. P equals to 3,800 and 1 plus 0.057 over 4 multiplied to 4.4. So the answer is 3,800, and then 1.014 to 5 multiply to 16 and equals to 3,800 over 1.2509, and the answer is 30,387 ringgit 71 cent. So we'll go to section D. She invests 19,500 ringgit in bank 1, aiming to reach 55,000 ringgit. How long must she wait? So the answer is P equals to 19,000 and 1,500 ringgit. A equals to 55,000 and R equals to 5.9%, so it equals to 0.059. N equals to 12, and we have to search for T. A equals to P and 1 plus R and T, 1 plus R over N and multiply to NT. 45,000 equals to 19,500 multiply to 1 plus 0.059 over 12 multiply to 12 and multiply to T. 45,000 over 19,000 equals to 1.0049167 multiply to 12 and multiply to T. So 2.3077 equals to 1.0049167 multiply to 12 and multiply to T. Okay, and then log multiple to 2.3077 equals to log 1.0049167 multiply to 12t, and then log 2.3077 equals to 12t log 1.0049167, and then 0.3631 equals to 12t point 0.002130, and then 3 equals to 0.3631 over 0.02556 equals to 14.2 years. That is the final answer.
So for the case study 2, question 1, the question is a loan of RM32000 is taken at 4.7% compounded monthly for 7 years. Okay, so for this question, I will use the formula is A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, per I, power by negative N, close bracket. Okay, so from the problem statement, I can get the info that A equals to Rm32000 and I is compounded monthly, which is 12 per 12 and equals to 1. And the negative N equals to 12 multiply 7 and you will get negative 84. Okay, so for this question, the answer is 32000 equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.01, close bracket, power by negative 84 per 0.01, close bracket. The next step is 32000R equals to 56.64845276 and the R is equals to 32000 per 56.64845276 and the final answer for R is RM564.89.
Calculate the balance after 72 months if the loans is settled. So in order to solve this, we need to take the amount from question 1, which is RM564.89, and then monthly payment minus remaining months, so 84 minus 72 equals to 12 months, and then RM564.89 times 12, and the answer will be RM6,778 ringgit and 68 cents. So the balance after 72 months if the loan is settled is RM6,778 ringgit 68 cents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Kaisarni bin Ahmad Mokhtar. I am from AM120-1A. Alright, so today I want to present about my question for MAT112. Alright, so I was choose two questions, which is question 2. Alright, so here we start. The question is, Zarina borrows 21,000 ringgit to be repaid in 6 years and for 4.3% interest compound monthly. Alright, so I want to explain to you all how to count the interest compound monthly based on the borrows money. Alright, so let's proceed for the question A. The question A is determine monthly payment and interest answer. Alright, so first is P. We need to find the P. The P is the monies that Zarina borrows, which is 21,000 ringgit Malaysian. And second is we need to find the rate. The rate is R. The letter R, which is 4.3%, or we count as 0.043. Third, we need to find the compound monthly. The compound monthly is M, which is 12. Alright, so the time is 6 years or 72 months, and the I is K per M, which is 0.043 over 12. So if we count, so it means that the answer for I is 0.0035833. Alright, so next is N. N is D multiplied with M, which is N equals to 6 multiplied by 12 equal to 17. Alright, so first of all, we want to determine the monthly payment. We need to use the formula S equal to P 1 plus I per power of N. So we start with this. S equals to 21,000 ringgit in bracket 1 plus the I that we found 0.043 and the power of 72. So S equals to 21,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.043 power of 72, and we over 12. So first of all, we need to calculate the bracket 1. So 1 plus 0.043, we got, first of all, we need to 1 plus 0.043 over 12, and we got 1.003583333. Alright, so next we calculate the power. Alright, so the 1.003583333 with power 72, and we will get 1.2937 for 2074. Alright, so now we have S equals to 21,000 multiplied by the 1.2937 for 2074. Alright, so the S we got is 27,168.558 cents. That's the S. Now we need to divide it by 7 of the times. So the 27's 168 over 72, we will get the 377.34. So that's the answer for the monthly payment. Alright, so now here's the calculate of the interest. Alright, so when we want to find interest, we need to calculate the monthly payments to the years, which is 377.34 ringgit Malaysian, multiplied by 72, which is we will get 27,168.548. So the answer, we need to minus with the amount that Zarina borrows at first, 168.48 minus by the 21,000. So we will get the 6,168.48. So all that's the total of interest. Alright, so let's proceed for the B question. The B question is, she missed the first 4 month payments. What's the 5th payments? Alright, so we need to use the first formula, which is A equals to R plus bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I in bracket power of negative ends and over I, which a large bracket. So the answer is 20,000 ringgit Malaysia minus R large bracket the 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.00358833 close the brackets and power off by negative 72. Alright, so then we need to over the 0.00358833 and close the large bracket, and the last answer which we get is 21,000 ringgit Malaysian equals to R in bracket 63.362419. Alright, so R equals to 21,000 ringgit Malaysian over 63.362419. So the R is 331.43 cents of ringgit Malaysia. After find the R, we need to proceed with the second formula. The second formula is S equals to R, the large bracket in bracket 1 plus I, the power of n negative by less than 1, and then over the I, then close the bracket. How to calculate? Then close the bracket. How to calculate? S equals to 331.43, which is 331.43 cents in brackets 1 plus 0.005833 power of 5 and minus 1 over 1.1, sorry, minus by 1 and over by 0.00358833. This is the I that we find the first one. Alright, so now calculate with the using the board mesh, and the second answer, the last answer, we will get 30,031 ringgit 43 cents in bracket, which is multiplied by 5.0359 61544 and multiply those numbers, so we will get the total of fifth payment is 1,669.7 cents of ringgit Malaysia. Right, so that's all from me for my questions, and thank you.